SDI Craft Pocket Knife Nose Anti-Shaking Unboxing Cutter Utility Knife Self-Lock. The SDI Craft Pocket Knife is a great utility knife for artists and crafters. It has a 9mm blade that is self-locking and can be adjusted to 30 degrees. This makes it perfect for cutting through a variety of materials, including paper, cardboard, and fabric. The knife also has a non-slip grip that prevents it from slipping out of your hand, and a safety lock that prevents the blade from accidentally opening. Here are some of the pros and cons of the SDI Craft Pocket Knife. Pros: self-locking blade prevents accidental cuts. Non-slip grip prevents the knife from slipping out of your hand. Safety lock prevents the blade from accidentally opening. 9mm blade is perfect for cutting through a variety of materials. Affordable price. Cons: blade is not as sharp as some other utility knives. Some users have reported that the knife is a bit bulky. The safety lock can be difficult to engage and disengage. Overall, the SDI Craft Pocket Knife is a great utility knife for artists and crafters. It is affordable, easy to use, and has a variety of features that make it a good choice for a variety of tasks. Here are some additional details about the SDI Craft Pocket Knife. The knife is made of stainless steel and has a black oxide finish. The blade is 9mm long and has a 30-degree edge. The knife has a non-slip grip that is made of TPR. The knife has a safety lock that prevents the blade from accidentally opening. The knife comes with a nylon sheath. Where to buy the SDI Craft Pocket Knife? The SDI Craft Pocket Knife is available for purchase online and at select retailers. You can find the knife on the SDI Craft website, Amazon, and other online retailers. The knife typically costs around $15.